there everybody, my name is Cyril Gupta, the Jeet guy, and today I want to show you an application that I made some time ago. It's called Jeet, and it's an incredible app which will bring you savage amounts of traffic on YouTube. Jeet is a YouTube communications tool which will help you get visitors and build subscribers to your channel very rapidly. Let's start by learning what Jeet does for you. It's actually very intuitive, because in all my apps, I've always focused on making things very clear. Instead of a clutter of buttons and options, I bring you a clearly labeled and intuitive interface that shows you what you need, when you need it, so that even a newbie can use Jeet from day #1. Now on to what it does. It can harvest users from YouTube. These are the viewers, people who actually watch the videos and bring you revenue. These are the people you want to target with your videos. It can harvest or collect videos. Think of them like pages or websites that are in your niche, pages that you want to be present on when viewers visit them. You can channel a pretty good amount of traffic by being on the right page or videos on YouTube. Then we have the user interactions. This is where you promote your channel or your video to the users you've harvested. You can connect to the users and drive them to your channels. You can also add them to your contacts list or even send them messages. You can use this to build an audience or to connect with the users who can be a part of your alliance or your network, or you can use it to talk to other people who are in the same segment as you on YouTube and who are working and you want to work with them. And this button here, this is called video interactions. This is where you actually promote your channel on other people's videos. You can use this to put comments on other people's videos, talk to their viewers and drive them to your channel, or you can use this to communicate with channel owners. You can build an alliance with them again, or you can cut a bargain with them, get them to put a link to your channel on their descriptions. You're basically limited by your own imagination on how you use it. Now let's go and see the individual features in detail. Jeet Pro is divided into two parts: collect the data and work with the data. Let's start by collecting or harvesting users. You can click on the button over here or over here, whatever you want. You got 4 options or ways to collect the user data. You can add a user manually. Do this when there's a specific user that you want to add to your dataset and you already know the ID. And you can also find users in any niche through keywords. Let's see a bit of that. You'll see a screen where you can feed in the keyword that you want and the number of user IDs that you need. You can start from 100 and you can go all the way up to 2000 users. So you can harvest up to 2000 users for any keyword that you select. And see this third option over here, which says user group? Let me tell you a bit about it. Jeet lets you organize the data you collect in groups. So for example, if you're doing promotion for cell phone, you can create a cell phone group and harvest the data into it. Next time you want to promote to viewers who are interested in cell phones, just select the group and work with it. You can also add new groups on the fly. So let's add our cell phone group. Click on add new and give it a name. Let's call our group cell phone users, or cell phone niche, or whatever you want. You can just name it cell phone if you want. First we need to add the keyword to, and for this let's go with Android games, and let's get 250 users from the niche. Click on submit and Jeet will make a note of what you want. You can add as many keywords as you want. Explore your niche, get all the keywords you need, keep adding them one by one, and you will have a huge list of users by the end of the campaign. Imagine that, targeting exactly the people who are the buyers or the players in your niche and what it can do for your business, reaching out directly to them. The third option is harvest YouTube pages. With this option, you can pick any URL from YouTube and harvest all the users present on it. It can be a YouTube video page, a channel page, or any other page where you see users interacting. Just get the URL and paste it over here. Jeet will get the users on that page. You can use this feature to target specific videos that have the people you want to interact with. Imagine picking a top video about cell phones and harvesting all the people who are on it. The process is simple. Just paste the URL and click your category and click submit. Before we click on submit, I want to draw your attention to the pending tasks list over here. You can see that there are 5 tasks which are pending. This is because we created the tasks of finding users for a keyword just a little while ago. When we click submit for harvest from page, Jeet will add this task to the pending list. Let's try it. Click on submit, and now we have 6 tasks pending. You can run all the tasks together by clicking on the start task button. The tasks will run in the background so you can continue working with the software. Let's work with the software a bit more before we start with the tasks. See the 4th button over here, harvest from tops? This is the place where you can harvest the users from YouTube standard feeds. You can get users from YouTube top rated feed, top favorites, most shared, most popular, whatever feeds you want to select. Right, so this is another way to get more users from YouTube. Now let's go to harvest videos. Again, you can add a video URL manually. You can get all the videos uploaded by a user or on a channel by clicking the find user button. Just feed in the channel name, select the number of videos you want, select the group you want to store the videos in, and click submit. You can harvest any videos in a niche by clicking the find from keywords button. The same process, type in the keyword, get the number of results you want, select a group and click submit. The same features are also present over here. You can add a new group and you can collect all the videos to the new group that you have added. You can harvest the videos from any YouTube URL. Now this is the place where you can harvest all the videos that are related to the video that you want to target, or you can just go to any kind of list on YouTube, any playlist on YouTube, any channel list, any page on YouTube. Just paste the URL over here, select the group, and Market Jeet Pro will get all the videos on that page. It's easy and simple. The next option is harvest from tops. This is the place where you can get the videos which are in the YouTube standard feeds. You can get the videos from the top rated, top favorited, most shared, most popular, most recent, most discussed, all these standard feeds. Just target the number of results you want, select the group, and click submit again. Market Jeet will store any task you create in the pending task list so that you can run them when you're ready. Great, so that was about collecting the data. Now let's move on to the core of the software. Working or interacting with the data that you have collected and using it to create a successful YouTube business with ever-growing subscribers and viewers. Let's begin with user interactions. The first option is contact request. Click on the button and you will see a new dialog box where you can select a user group to target. Remember that cell phone group we created? We can send a contact request to all of the users in that group. Then we need to select the YouTube account we want to send the contact request with. If you already have a YouTube account added, Market Jeet will show it to you. Or you can click on manage and add as many YouTube accounts as you want. You can use this feature to connect to the users with many different identities that you've created for your marketing drive. You can reach to as less as 10 users in that group, or you can target up to 1,000 users. Now there's a very interesting feature in Market Jeet. Suppose we have 10,000 users in our cell phones group, and at a time you reach 1,000, you can create as many tasks or as many requests as you want, and Market Jeet will make sure that you never send a user a contact request a second time. So it's totally spam free, and it will send a request to a contact only once from one account. When a user accepts your contact request, he will become your friend on YouTube, and then you can send him messages or links to the videos you create. It's a great way to expand your audience on YouTube and to get instant viewership. The next is subscribe. Use this to mass subscribe to users. Remember, users will respond positively to their subscribers. So when you're already subscribed to a user and then you send him a contact request, he will be more inclined to accept it. YouTube viewers will also check out the people who subscribe to them and will subscribe to them in return. It's like the Twitter following strategy, and it works wonderfully. This is a great way to expand your audience and to get more subscription very fast to your channel. And finally, we have share video. Click on this button and feed in the URL of the video and the channel, type the subject and a small message to your contacts. Now you can select the account you want to work with and send the video to all the people who are in the contact list of that account. Now let's put it all together. We got a huge list of users in our niche. We subscribe to them, they subscribe back, we invite them to be our contact, we share videos, and boom. Suddenly your channel's view count and subscriber count is exploding like crazy. Your competitors will wonder what you're doing to grow so fast, and it'll be just your secret. Now let's check the video interactions. This is the place where we work with all the videos that we collected for our niche. We can get the users who commented on the videos, we can get the videos that are showing up as related to the videos that we collected, and we can post comments on the videos. So we can get more users to reach out to, users who are the perfect targets in our niche, and we can find more videos like the ones that we have. And finally, we can actually drive traffic from the videos themselves by posting comments on them. Perfect way to use others in your niche to bring you the views and traffic that you deserve. And as usual, Market Jeet works very intelligently. Let's see the comment posting feature. Select the video group that we created, and then select the comments group. Let's have a look at this. In a comment group, you can create and save as many comments as you want. In this case, there are 3, but you can add a new comment. Here's my new comment. And it will be added to the group that we have. Market Jeet will randomly pick from the comments you feed in and post them on the videos. So you can be absolutely sure that your comments don't look spammy and every videos get a different comment. You can add an unlimited amount of comments to a group from 1 to 1000. It's your wish. It's you who decides how varied you want the comments to be. Finally, select the YouTube account that you want to comment from and then the number of comments that you want to leave on the videos. You can post as less as 10 and as many as 1000 comments on different videos. And you know what? Market Jeet will make sure that it does not post more than 1 comment to any videos from a single account. So you will never have to worry about spamming or any other issue that comes from software that are not well designed or not intelligent enough to do this. To start commenting, just click on submit. Users who see your comments can click back and reach your channel. It's a fantastic way of stealing views and subscribers from your competitors.